Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we'll be making country fried chicken and creamy gravy. Now before we get started, do you see this subscribe button over here? Yeah, click it like you mean it, and click it. There you go. Do you see this like button over here? Yeah, smash it really hard like you mean it. Smash it right now. There you go. Now let's get started. So first we're going to heat up the grease up to medium, and then we're going to prep our chicken. Then up to medium. There. So our chicken fillet has already been prepped. Now let's make our egg wash. Nope. Oh, there we go. Aha, not today, egg yolk. Nice try, but you didn't get any egg yolk. I mean, well, only a little bit, but that doesn't count. Alright, just put pepper in it. Oh, right. Just throw some in there. Oh well. I cannot get the egg. There we go. Now we're cooking. Now let's make our breading. You take the flour and add seasoning, chili powder, black pepper, and onion powder, and salt, and mix it with a fork.
You can use a spoon or a whisk or whatever you want to use. I just think it's easier when it's a small amount to use a fork.
Well, the chili powder just take over the flour and stuff. Yep.
So now we're gonna batter the chicken and fry it.
Okay.
All right, buddy. Let's go ahead and bread that chicken, and then we're gonna fry it, and then we'll swap out, and I'll do the rest of it. Okay. So you do one, I'll do the rest.
All right. Dry hand, wet hand.
Let it drip. Let it drip.
Yeah, let it drip. I want the counter to be, okay, this might take a while.
No, it's not. Come on.
Wait. Alright, it's done. Alright, get some flour in it.
Keep coating it.
Yeah.
Get it down in the flour. Put a whole bunch of flour on that, buddy.
Okay.
Coat the whole thing. There you go.
Oh! Here we go. Alright. Let's get that part. Alright, shit. Alright. Goop. Uh-oh. Oh! Look at that.
Beautiful, buddy.
Yep.
All right. Go wash your hands. I'll do the other two.
Alright.
Here's our fried chicken. Now we're making a roux. Here's the fat and flour I just started. This will be done in about 5 or 6 minutes, and all I'm going to do is add in some heavy cream and a couple of seasonings. Stay tuned.
So now we're going to add heavy cream.
And just constantly stir until that heavy cream becomes thick with that roux I had in there, okay? All that was just some of the fat or the grease that I fried the chicken in. Added some flour. Now I'm gonna add a little salt, pepper, and and whatever other seasonings I can find. All right?
Alright. Alright, so it's thick.
Yeah, the
So
sauce
we're
is
gonna,
thick.
Yep, so we're gonna thin it out with some milk, not heavy cream.
Yep, this is just regular milk now. This is really the basis to like Alfredo sauce. It's a basic bechamel. It's a white sauce. Okay?
Alright.
Look at that. See how I thinned it out?
Yes.
This is a creamy white sauce right here.
Alright. And what is this gonna turn into?
Oh, this is country gravy right here, baby.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is just the white sauce you put on top of the chicken.
Okay.
You ever had sausage biscuits and gravy? This is the gravy that people put on top of it.
I have sausage biscuit before, but I haven't had sausage biscuits and gravy.
See how there are no lumps?
And no lumps. Good.
Because I use a whisk. Yes. There you go. That's looking good right there. Just pour that on top of the chicken. You pour it on top of biscuits. Oh man, that's some good eating. Now we just got to make sure it's seasoned to perfection.
All right. This is the consistency that you want.
Consistency. This right here. See this? See how it coats the spoon?
Mm-hmm.
See how it's a gravy.
Yeah.
And that's what you want. Look at the back of the spoon. It doesn't really move. It's thick. And you can make it thin if you want it. You can make it thicker if you want it. But that's about how you want it right there.
But is gravy supposed to look like that, the color?
This is a white gravy. So yes, this is correct because it's made with milk or cream.
Okay.
You can use whatever kind of fat you want to use, which is butter, oil, lard. It doesn't matter. It's good. All right,
Yep.
we're done. Let's get this on the chicken.
Okay. So here's our country fried chicken with creamy gravy. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a comment below and share this video, please. Bye.